all these paddlers were freaked out because they saw this fin on the water. And they were like, oh my God, shark, shark.
Paddleboarding is a great sport for a number of reasons. Because it's low impact, but it provides a full body workout. Being out on the water is a beautiful space. Time on the water to relax. It's hard to be in a bad mood when you're on the water. It's great for your fitness. It's also just mentally a great space to kind of relax and connect.
After spending some time on Earth, Chewbacca is continuing his plan to paddle around the world. He knows exploring more places is the best way to get used to humans.
Chewbacca called me last night to talk me into filming his first open ocean paddleboarding adventure.
Oh, you didn't shave today, Chewbacca.
So he picked me up today with all of his facial hair grown out because he's mostly been shaving and wearing human clothing to get used to us humans. After I interviewed him for this documentary, I told him to shave his face if he wants to blend in with the crowd.
After back and forth bantering with his friend, our enthusiastic paddler heads to the marina. But as he passed by the beach, he noticed something odd today. Blending with humans requires an actual crowd to blend in after all.
So we finally make it to the pier for a moment. I'm videoing him. I get on. He starts to go out a little bit and we start cruising down the water. It was really calm and nice. There were a good amount of people out there today. We saw a bunch of people going on a trail up and down in the water. old, young, with children, with dogs. Also, we were going past all these really cool boats and houseboats.
Paddling in calm water is a lot easier for Chewbacca. So far, he has a good start. But at some point, in any adventure, unexpected scenarios sometimes happens.
Sept had this idea to stand up while I videoed him, and so it's like, okay, I remember saying balance, Chewbacca, and then all of a sudden, and I never fell off a board before. I ended up going to the car first. I was really cold, freezing. I did lose the gimbal and Galaxy, actually. It fell out of my hand, and he did try to go find it underwater.
After failing to retrieve his gadgets underwater, Chewbacca decided to get back on the beach to check on his friend, and meeting his newly hired drone videographer on the way.
So I was taking footage of Sept using the drone as he was coming out of the water after paddling. And then on the way back to the shore, he accidentally stepped on a stingray.
Losing gadgets and now getting stung by stingray. This must be a lucky day.
And apparently the warm water here on Mother's Beach attracts them here every summer. Their instinct is just to whip their tail, and it can just rupture your skin. Oof. Contact with the stinger causes major pain. Swelling, muscle cramping. It can just lead to bacteria and fungi. Just no good, no good.
So we paddle our way all the way to the end of the open marina, and Chewbacca says he wants to go all the way out to the open ocean. And I said, I don't think that's a good idea, but let's do it anyways. Right around this time, the place is getting really foggy. We're going out into the open ocean. We can no longer even see the horizon, like zero visibility. And I was like, oh no, we should probably get back. It had all of these paddlers freaked out because they just saw this one fin above the water, and they were like, oh my god.